Have you ever seen a painting come to life on its own? This touch pour took an unexpected turn, revealing something I never planned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Yayomi and I'm creating mesmerizing fluid art pieces using acrylic pouring techniques. Today, I have something truly special to share with you. This Dutch pour started with a bold mix of greens, blue and gold and white, but as the paint flowed and blended, something unexpected happened. A golden figure seemed to emerge right in the center. Was it intentional? Not at all. But that's the beauty of fluid art. Sometimes the paint has a mind of its own. Stick around as I take you through my process, from layering the base to using air techniques in a spinner to create movement. And at the end, I'll show you some mesmerizing close-up shots. Let's get started! I started with a beautiful deep green background to create contrast and depth. It's important to make sure your base coat is evenly spread for a smooth flow when you blow out the bloom. There's something so therapeutic about watching the green flow across the canvas. The way it moves across the canvas is completely mesmerizing. I just can't look away. And of course, I'm using the infamous torch, but I also love covering my edges to make sure that the green is covering the sides of my painting. The spinner gives me full control over the painting, allowing me to rotate it effortlessly for complete coverage. It also makes it easy to access every side, ensuring an even and balanced design. Next, I created a puddle in the center of blue, gold, green, and white. These colors interacted beautifully, blending into a soft yet vibrant mix. When layering, always pour heavier colors first to help control the way they spread. Then, using air, I gently push the colors outward, allowing them to bloom and stretch. This technique creates delicate feathery edges that make the colors blend seamlessly. I love how the gold started forming intricate details within the bloom. Once I had the bloom in place, I gave the canvas a spin. Spinning helps the paint move naturally, creating elegant, flowing patterns without overworking the composition. And yes, the paint began to tell its own story, and then something incredible happened. The bloom started transforming. The gold and green stretched over the canvas. So lovely. refine the composition, I gave the canvas a tilt, helping the paint flow naturally. The movement in the piece made it feel almost alive. I had no idea this painting would double as a mirror. If you look closely, you can almost see me in it. Guess I should have dressed up for the occasion. And there you have it. This Dutch pour truly took on a life of its own. I love how the colors flowed together, and that golden figure in the center was such an unexpected surprise. What do you see in this painting? Let me know in the comments. I always look forward to hearing your interpretations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my next fluid art creation. I have even more exciting pours coming up, so make sure to come back for the next one. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you soon.